Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I am just getting a little bit of water down here on my paper, and I'm just going to do a few rosemary little seeds here. They come in a little package. I'm just going to get those out of my hand. There we go. I'm just going to get those right on there. These are very, very small. How many do I have here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll start off with that for this video. I'm just going to fold this over. A little more water. Into a baggie, and then I'm going to label that. So the other one that we did today was, what did we do? We did cabbage. So 2 for today, that's good. So right into your baggie, make sure the paper is nice and moist, and then close up that baggie so that the paper inside doesn't dry out. And that's it. So I will keep you up to date on these as well. So rosemary, April the 14th, 2018. Happy Saturday. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.